All right. Hi everyone. I am really excited. Today we are going to go over the Advent Calendar from Art by Marlene for this year. I was not able to get my hands on one last year, so I'm really excited I got it this year. First things first, the box is adorable all in and of itself. And to be quite honest with you, this is a gift all on its own because look how cute. Open this thing. Here's our cute tin, but it's just, take that out, it's just an adorable box. You could cover this part if you wanted to, do your own little art and have sword trinkets, ephemera, your stencils, this, whatever in it. So we will set that aside for now and get to it. All right, so she tells you right here, the tin is gift for day number 1. Very cute. Of course, super colorful. Love the sort of rainbow vibe we got going here. I love rainbows in general. Crafting makes everything better. Wouldn't you agree? All right. Here we go. Just a little cute card. Crafting is an escape from the everyday reality, so dream away with the 2024 AMB Craft Advent Calendar. Love, Marlene. I will. Thank you. Alright, so here we go. The box was day 1. Here is day 2. Let's set this aside and go for it. Alright. Honestly, I feel like everything could be used as scraps. Alright, so day 2. Very cute little Christmas sentiments here and words. I do like to add words to my junk journals and my journaling, so I love this sort of thing. This will be great, I think, to add to any junk journal. All right, so there's day 1, or day 2, excuse me. All right, day 3, here we go. Oh, cute. All right, little bit of weeding we need to do here. Let's see. I think. All right, so it is a little bit of a bummer. You do have to do a little bit of weeding here. Just a tiny bit, but it's so cute. It really is so cute, and I feel like it's not that big of a deal. So here we go. Day 2, very cute stencil. Or day 3, wow, I couldn't be more off. All right, day 4 says it right there for me. Day 4, what do we get this time? All right, super cute, gotta love it. I mean, flower details are always fun. Another little bit of weeding again. I don't want to mess up the actual art on it. I will go back through this, you know, when I'm not doing a full reveal. But a little bit more weeding to do on this one. Okay. All right. Now, day 5. And honestly, I just love the art on all of these. I can't wait to see what somebody ends up doing with all these cute envelopes. Ooh, okay, that's another really nice stencil. And these are all like perfect shapes for going on standard cards, I think, too. So this would be cute to put on a card. Another cute stencil. Right. Day 6. Cute hippo. Don't give up, keep going. Love that. Stickers. Alright, so in really Marlene's classic style, really adorable stickers here. 2 sheets of each of these. Okay, cute. Love it. Day 7. Okay. Alright, ooh, that's another fun stencil. More weeding, as this is a little bit delicate here. Just can't help myself, I have to get some of it. Alright, but who doesn't love a cute owl? I love that. And you could even tape over these little flowers if you didn't want that part. But love it. Very cute little owl. Set yourself free on day 8. Okay, what do we got here? Another fun stencil, really fun patterns. I feel like you could use that on a lot of different things. And a very minimal amount of weeding to be done on that one. Okay, day 9, getting through it. All right, Oh, I mean, love this, really. Any night sky, you could do varying colors. Very cute stencil. All right, day 10. Ooh, more fun words. Okay. Your feelings matter. If you want to give light to others, you have to glow yourself. Oh, I love that one. Just reading them some randomly, but I love it. Cute. Okay, more fun words, some with holiday inspiration. Okay, day 11. Cute. Okay, this does scream Christmas to me, but there's actually nothing Christmassy technically on it. It's just a really cute little kind of like cityscape that kind of looks like a little ice cream cone to me, but another cute, very unique stencil. Okay, day 12. Do not overthink it. Oh, fun. Okay, very cute. Love this. Just super fun, random cute patterns that I feel like definitely goes along with the art by Marlene Style. Day 13. Ooh, cute. I like this. This gives me kind of like partial rainbow vibes. Another fun stencil. Day 14, cute. Hello Kitty. Live more, fear less. Ooh, more stickers. Okay, super cute. Candy canes. I am gonna just call that a peppermint mocha, a donut. Very cute stickers. All right, day 15. All right, another fun stencil. I just really love that this sort of goes with the vibe. Like, look at, we've got these sort of flowers on the box. I love that this sort of just kind of goes together with everything that you're seeing here. There we go. We'll just put it on top. Okay, day 16. Fun. I feel like that is about as versatile as it gets with stencils. Okay, day 17. What have we got here? Ooh, a little underwater stencil action here. Love it. Cute. All right, day 18. Cute little dachshund and little mushroom. Okay. All right, looks like we've got some more words here. Don't get me started. I don't come with breaks. But we all know somebody that's like that, right? So 3 different colors. Very cute. All right. Day 19. All right, another cute kind of like a cityscape, if you will. Another unique one. Love it. Okay, day 20. Oh, I love this, like kind of like a flower mandala sort of vibe going on. A little bit of weeding to be done there again, but that's okay. Oh, fun. Okay. Ooh, that one's a little... Come here. Oh, all right. So my stencil had a little bit of an issue going through the machine there. I'll worry about that later, but still a very cute design in general. All right, day 22. Cute stickers. Are they all different? Here we go. Very cute. Nice little packet of stickers again. All right, getting down to it. Day 23. All right, ooh, I really like this stencil. Little bit more weeding to do again. So many little tiny bits here. All right, I swear I will do this later. But that's okay, still super cute. All right, and day 24. Ooh, Okay, so this is fun. I feel like you could do this sort of a crystal-y vibe, little underwater like seaweed sort of action. I feel like you could do a lot of things with this one. A little bit more weeding again. Okay. Alright, and then last but not least, everyone, we are on day 25. I almost don't want to open it. Okay, here we go. Oh, cute. Alright, so this is just a really cute sun. I like how this looks on the blue background, to be honest with you. So another unique stencil. We got a bunch of really fun stencils in this one. I do feel a little bit bummed about the weighting, but to be perfectly honest with you, this was such a fair value for money on this, and even this box I feel like is easily reusable. I still feel like it's well worth what you get, and you get so many cute, unique designs in this advent calendar. So absolutely love it. Thanks so much for sticking around with me for this long. If you have not yet, please like and subscribe, and have an excellent rest of your day.